In this lesson, we will mark up the first web page and consider how to organize a workspace, create the basic structure of HTML, and check the result in the browser. Let's organize our workspace. First, we need to install Visual Studio Code. It is a code editor for creating applications. You should visit the official website, download VS Code depending on your operating system, and install the code editor. You can find the link to the website under this video. Then we need to organize folders. So create a folder and name it Greenline. Then open it. Create a folder and name it HTML Elements. Then open it. Create a folder and name it Structure. Run Visual Studio Code and open the Structure folder in the sidebar. Create a file in the Structure folder and name it Structure HTML. Now make the workspace more comfortable. VS Code provides different color themes. Choose one of them for yourself. Also, you can zoom the window content. The creation of a web page begins with the basic HTML structure. It is an HTML code that defines the basic structure of any web page. The code of the first line declares a document type. The HTML tag determines the beginning and the end of the document. It holds two tags, head and body. The head tag contains data about the document such as a title or metadata. The body tag contains all the contents of the HTML document such as headings, paragraphs, lists, and others. Browsers read HTML code, create document object model, and display a web page. In other words, browsers turn website code into interactive pages or render a web page. Let's create our web page. Open VS Code and type the basic HTML structure. Now save the changes in the file and open it in the browser. If a browser is not a default program for viewing HTML files, right-click on the file and choose Open with Google Chrome. We can see the file name in the tab and the empty web page. Change it. Open VS Code and type basic structure in the title tag. Save the changes in the file, go to the browser and refresh the web page. We can see the changes in the tab. Now open VS Code and type two sentences in the body. For example, hello world. This is my first web page. Save the changes in the file and refresh the web page in the browser. We can see the sentences on the web page. Now change the code yourself and solve workbook exercises to improve your knowledge and skills.